CSS battle time. 3. Did it. Now we need a different font. Alright. Now, the easy way. Easy way is HTML with this background. Body with that background. And then to do... Yeah. And then to do... Or, ooh, I could do the body with a box shadow and box reflect. Body has the same background, so we only do one background. Yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like. Okay. Actually, I could do box reflect or 2 more box shadows. I think that'll work. Because I'll expand it out by... No. That won't work because to get it to come out all just to one side with a box shadow and expand on both sides, you end up with double on one side compared to the other. So what would happen is this would stick out twice as far as these. Like I'd have to, or more, you know, whatever the expansion I need to do on the radius. I couldn't hide that on this side because I only want it on the one side. Do a box shadow inset, maybe. I run into the same issue there. Okay. I could do a border and then undo one side. Or I can just do this is a square and then this is another box that gets box shadowed inside it. How do I want to do it? I could make this red box the HTML one and then do a big box shadow on the outside and then make this the body. Yeah, that's what I was going to do already. So, yeah. So let's chase that solution. I think that's the best one. It's a little technical because we have to do a big box shadow, but then we're overwriting it on the body. So the background on the HTML element is going to be this orange color. Now, if you just try to do margin on this, like, oh, let's shrink it down, 50, nothing happens. And it's because the canvas element has that background as well, and so you don't see margin doing anything to it. But let's put the box shadow on it, and we're gonna go 0, 0, and then 0 blur and 50 pixel expansion, and there we go. It happens to the body and the margin, and there's no color on it, so let's put this color here. It's happening to the HTML and the body right now because we're using this everything selected. So let's put it just on the HTML element, and this is what we're left with. So we can then shape it with margin. So we're going to be like 40 on the top and bottom, 80 more than that, 120. Let's go 140. And the reason why you're seeing the green sides is because we only have a box shadow that's yay big, and because we have a box shadow on it, the background is extending outside of that box shadow because it's on the canvas element. But we can fix it. We're just going to increase the box shadow radius, but with like M or VW or something. Like if we do 50 VW, we're golden. It's gone. So let's do that. I like that because now we can do the body. We are going to do this again, and we're going to select the body, and what we're going to do is, how are we looking? Everything's that now. Yeah, because the body also has this really massive box shadow that's like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to shrink the body down. Let's get shadow 0, 0. There we go. So now we'll be able to see the body element, you know, as we move it around. It's going to have a background of that size, but what we need to do is override the margin to see where it's at. It should be this it should be this color. Oh, I see. It's oh, we do have to override the background. That's right. So the box shadow got that color. I flipped it in my head. I was thinking I wouldn't have to rewrite a different background. There's no two ways about it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's see what background is going to be this. And I know I'm going to want to, oops. Yeah, so everything disappears. Let's put some margin on it. We should see a border. Yeah, there we go. So let's shape this appropriately. We are going to have something like 20, 30, 40 on the top. Right is going to be like 20. Oh, it's going to be 40 as well. 40. And then bottom is going to be like 100, 20, 130. Okay, and then left is going to be 0. We have our box that we can now box shadow. I have to rewrite anyways. Sorry, I was thinking of using the font trick here to change the box shadow dimensions, but yeah, it won't work. It won't work. Actually, it might work. Ooh, okay. So, where would it need? Let's write our box shadow, and then once I know where it needs to be, I can try to do this. So 40 pixels down. Let's go 80 pixels. 80, 90. Okay, 90 pixels down, and it's going to be this color. So actually, let's go here. Oops. Color. And give it that, so that we can, one, take away that. We don't need the Octothorpe in color. I think I've said that before, but so we have our box shadows. Okay, brilliant. So what I'm going to do is now try to translate this into something like M. So and what's going to happen is we are going to let's go M. Okay, so that's perfect for this. So what I can do, but I'm gonna want the radius. It won't work. It won't work. Actually, I can because I can still set this as 90 pixels down. I don't think we'll see it on the big box shadow. We won't see it on the big box shadow. But now M, because that's being changed, let's throw this away. And so this box shadow should be applied. And what's happening is it's a huge radius. Oh, I'm being called. I think the spider was found. Sorry, guys. Okay. Where are we? Let's see. Ooh. Spider hunt was not successful. It disappeared somewhere, so yeah. Okay, we're doing a box shadow. This is technical. This is a big deal. I'm gonna try to do the font thing. So right now we are moving it down 90 pixels, and then it has a huge expansion because it's 50 EM. But if we do font and we say 0 A, comma A? Is it slash A? I know this can work. I know it will, because what I'm essentially saying, oh, let's say 0%. Take the comma out. If I go and look at top solutions, they're going to have this trick in there. I just got to figure out the syntax on this. So let's do a font size. Make sure I'm on font size 0%. Okay, so I'm Oh, I know what I need. No, zero expansion is what I want. And I want 90 pixels down on the box shadow. And I want it to apply to this. So this M should essentially be turned into nothing because the font size is 0% now. So it shouldn't be expanded at all, and it should just be 90 pixels down like we had before with what I wrote here. Why is this not working? 10%? I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting any box shadow in the body. Oh, wait. This is the left-right one. I put it in the wrong... I put it in the... Oh, okay. All right. I feel dumb, and also, like... I really thought that was going to fix things. That is... No, that is left-right. It does left-right first. Okay, so I'm still dumb. I'm still dumb. It's nothing new here, guys. Nothing new here. Box shadows on the HTML element and the body element. But we're overriding font size. Oh. Fixed it. You're going to have to tell me in the comments how long you're screaming at the screen to delete the first box shadow. To get rid of it. Alright, let's see if we can do... Okay. A? Yeah, there it is. There it is. And it works. You know? Oh, that's CSS for you. That's web development for you. Okay, let's see where we ended up at. Let's hit submit, see if we're at a good percentage. 100%. Happy days. Happy days. What did we end up with? I didn't have to use position fixed on this one or any elements. I'm pretty stoked about that. 128 characters. Heyo. All right. That was good. That worked out better than I thought it would. I'm pretty happy about that. All right, tonight's going pretty good. I got some woodworking done earlier. I finished up a project I get to give to a friend tomorrow. So, yeah, it's always exciting when that happens. And now that worked out. And I did a trick that I mean, I'm still learning this, clearly. I'm still learning this sort of methodology and the mentality that goes behind it. So when it works out, you learn something new, that's a good day too. So hope you guys had fun. I did. And I hope you have a good Wednesday. That's tomorrow. Have a good Wednesday. Bye.